truth is, I've grown quite fond of you.
House of ones they need a centerpiece. But you like to take off from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces. That shit clean up with a be talking money, need a urinate. Talking about me, all this your shit. Switch on my side, I took any lane. Switch on my core, I keep it.
Unfortunately,
Who's faster now?